What's up, YouTube? We back. Excuse me. Wow. What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste test video. And today we're going to be tasting.
I need about 4 of those.
Shit. But I ain't done yet. This the last one, right?
No.
No,
Second to last.
Yeah, it's only one in the freezer.
Do. Wait, wrong soda.
What the fuck?
Dr. Pepper.
Got both of these from Walmart, and they these things be going out of stock very quick. So if you see these, get these on stateside. And you don't put them anyway. You fucking whore.
I do not like it.
But yeah, Walmart. I don't. Damn. Excuse me.
Okay.
I don't remember the prices. It's probably the same price as any other 12-pack sodas. Like $7. Oh, you know what? It was like no. These are like $6 and some change each. This is at Walmart. And these are new, and it just came out this year, recently, this month actually. They just came out this month. February 2023. I don't know what day, but February 2023. All right, strawberry man.
What's up? Strawberry? Thank you. My body.
This is not ready.
What's up? What do you
My
want me to
body
do?
is ready. Open it.
Oh. But is this even on the right side?
Yeah, you see those?
These just better be nasty. But apparently, the way they run out of stock, I guess it might be good. It might be the same person buying them, or it might just be new people buying them every time.
My body is ready.
Oh, they're good.
Reggie.
I mean, some of them know who it is.
Reggie, I don't know how to say his last name. Felisa name?
I don't know.
Felisa name.
It smells like strawberry.
Alright, let's see.
Does it taste like strawberry? It's pretty good.
Now this tastes different.
I don't make a chocolate strawberry and cream. I mean, not chocolate strawberry, chocolate and cream.
Now this tastes different. Now this tastes, oh God, this actually was good.
I wish it was colder than this, but it's cold enough. It ain't cold, but it's cold enough. 10 out of 10. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's crispy. Dr. Pepper's always been
15.
crispy. Always been crispy.
I give it a 15. You know you gotta go bust with. Oh God.
Somebody probably already did it. This can go well with strawberry. I mean, this can go well with Hennessy. When you put this with strawberry Hennessy. So add some more strawberry to this. Because a lot of people put Dr. Pepper with Hennessy, Pepsi or Cola, any dark soda with Hennessy. But this, when y'all make strawberry Hennessy, add this instead of regular dark soda. And I'm about to mix it with that moonshine. That could be a video. Y'all know what moonshine I'm talking about. Yeah, white chocolate chip strawberry. No, white chocolate strawberry. Yeah. I'm gonna mix it with this.
I wasn't in that.
It was never made. That's gonna be in the future.
You predicted it.
Y'all ready for zero sugar?
No.
No, you're not. Here I come. You can't hide.
All right, strawberry man, pay attention.
I'm with you. Hold on. I'm just trying to crack my body, yo.
You trying to crack your body?
It's the opening side is on this one.
Oh, why ain't telling us the wrong side? Imagine zero sugar tastes better than regular.
It's been the case sometimes.
I like the way the zero sugar color looks. Pink and black.
No.
Tastes trash.
Tastes sort of the same. I mean, smells sort of the same.
No.
It's not hitting all that much.
No.
It's still good, but it's not hitting.
It ain't bad.
Not for me.
It's just not hitting as the fully blown sugar.
Zero sugar and regular. I waited a long time to actually try these. And the reason why I don't have the 4 bottles that I have in the house because my mother and them drunk the original bottles. But they replaced them, and thank goodness that I still got them in the house. The zip sugar is like, I don't know. You followed it? What was that?
I said it's flan.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why would you do that? Dirty bitch. Anyway.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry. I know I gotta go see somebody.
It's always some point in the taste test videos
What?
where you got some problem going on.
You pregnant?
You're a
I bet
drama-
so.
You're a drama queen, bro.
Get y'all final look.
I told you I had a back problem way before this though.
Get y'all final look at both of them, and I can pick up both of them. Or maybe. There we go.
You keep this shit. My head hurting like shit.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's what I'm like, bro. I'm not.
There's something in that shit. I had started.
It's crispy. The way you been drinking all that sugar, that's why. Bitch. Anyway.
Alright guys, we're gonna get up out of here. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to tell somebody to like us. Be sure to check out our gaming channel and social media where available, and we'll see you in the next Dr. Pepper video the next time.
Damn.
So
Excuse
until then, take care. Goodbye.
Johnny.
Make sure y'all go to Walmart. They're not only at Walmart, but they're mostly at Walmart.
Crazy man. Crazy man.
That's what your coworker said to you too. But yeah,
For real? What's this?
after the name that you gave them. But damn, what was I about to say? Yeah, they're not only available at Walmart. These are also in bottles too. You just gotta find them. They're really good. You just have to find them. Almost anything strawberry is really good. But they should make a blueberries and cream. Even though they already had the dark berry Dr. Pepper, but blueberries and cream Dr. Pepper. Know what I'm saying?
You should always trying to step on blueberry, man, strawberry toes. Why you always got into
They're in the berry family, so what you expect?
Why you always trying to step on strawberry toes? Every time we do something with
They don't got no
strawberries, huh?
We still need a strawberry toast crunch. Even though this ain't a General Mills video. Still need a strawberry toast crunch.
You know, all his best ideas come out when we do a strawberry video. You ever seen that?
They're just missing some few stuff.
You see,
I don't
you
know.
always do this when it's strawberry. We're doing strawberries and then we taste our
I
sweet
literally
time.
said in our strawberry videos, I'm gonna keep mixing a strawberry toast crunch until we get a
I'm
strawberry
not talking about that
toast
one. I'm
crunch.
talking about the blueberry Jones. You just started talking about all
Blueberry
these-
toast crunch.
Okay, already got one?
That's the it's the toast,
Oh, the toast.
but not the actual General Mills toast one.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, catch us next time on another Dr. Pepper video. Catch us next time on another strawberry video. I kind of sort of spoiled on the last video, but some of y'all probably would have noticed anyway. But yeah, catch you next time.